Welcome to Lira Clinical. Unveil brilliant, smooth, and renewed skin with this brightening and firming treatment. The power of effective ingredients works in harmony to refine the appearance of fine lines, brighten dull skin, and restore a healthy balance. Designer peptides and topical probiotics work together to brighten and balance as the skin receives a nourishing boost from protein-rich caviar, turmeric, and restorative gold and silver minerals. So let's take a look at this exclusive Lira Luxe treatment. Upon a completed and signed consent form, cleanse skin with the bioenzyme cleanser, applying to dry skin with dry hands, massaging it into the skin for approximately 1 minute, then wetting the fingertips and massage for approximately 1 minute more, removing eye makeup if applicable, then removing cleanser with a tepid barber towel or cleansing sponges. Perform a second massage with the Pro Exfoliating Cleanser, working it into the skin with a stimulating massage, then proceeding to remove with a tepid barber towel or cleansing sponges. For our detox and skin priming step, apply the ice refining mask with the fingertips or a mask brush. Allow the mask to almost dry, pulling impurities for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Then spritz the skin with the pH solution, massaging it in until a creamy mixture forms. Then proceed to remove with a tepid barber towel or cleansing sponges. For our exfoliation step, combine 15 milliliters of the biohydrating mineral mask with 6 to 8 drops of the mineral retinol solution and 3 drops of the Pro Light serum, mixing together. Apply this solution to the entire face, neck, and décolleté using a double fan brush method. Next, gently massage this into the skin for up to 3 minutes. Then allow the skin to rest for 10 minutes, allowing the mixture to penetrate. Remove with a cool barber towel or cleansing sponges. If you have assessed your client's skin for this to be the end point of exfoliation and are proceeding to balance the skin, spritz the pH solution across the skin or into your hand and apply to the face, neck, and décolleté and allow to absorb, infusing nourishing botanicals and restorative plant stem cells into the skin. For our brightening step, apply 4 drops of the Pro Light or Pro Bright Plus serum, working into the skin, reducing redness, managing melanin production, and preventing hyperpigmentation formation. Next, apply 3 to 4 drops of the award-winning Mystique Illuminating Beauty Oil, nourishing and hydrating with skin-friendly hydration. This exclusive dry oil is also a great post-treatment retail product and pairs beautifully with the Bio Caviar Cream. And now apply the luxurious Bio Caviar Cream, continuing skin's restorative and hydration benefits. Brightening peptides, plant stem cells, and reparative minerals make this popular cream in the top 10 retail products. Next, gently massage Mystique Perfecting Eye Cream into the eye area, around the orbital bone, and up to the lash line, hydrating and firming skin while reducing puffiness and dark circles. Finish the treatment by choosing your client's preferred daily sun protection of either SPF Solar Shield, Elio Drops, or BB Cream color of choice. For Elio Drops, just 3 to 4 drops are needed with an Elio Drop application with its waterless, clean beauty formulation. If applying a BB cream, use a pat and roll application, working from the inside out to the hairline. Next, apply the Bio Lip Factor to the lips for a slight, glossy finish. Keep in mind, clients do not need to cleanse their face in the evening for best results of this treatment. Thank you for watching. For further information, please visit liraclinical.com or contact customer service at 877-440-5472 or via email at info@liraclinical.com. Thank you for choosing Lira Clinical. Be bright, be beautiful.